this money is not complete.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I cannot release your mother from the land case.
Continue.
This just token.
Please, sir.
She have to go to Aka, because the more the money is, the faster your property becomes yours.
I would do anything. That land is the only land I have as a first son. My uncle wants to take it from us. Eh?
Your uncle is an evil balatara.
Yes, sir.
He is an evil balatara.
Child.
And I am the only person to jail your uncle to put him into inconsequential accommodity.
Thank you, sir.
First sons are always dying because of land.
Yes, I don't want to die.
That is it. So you need to be very, very careful and migrated.
Yes, sir.
I don't judge anyhow. Tell your mother to see me at night.
Child.
I make sure not at night, because I love your mother so much.
Thank you,
She's
sir.
very, very industrious and open of potentiality.
Continue.
Your mother is very, 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 very distant. Tell her I said so.
Yes, sir.
The land belongs to your father. Your family has what they call the infant of the fallopian tube discharge. Don't say you gave me money. Just comport. Move.
Thank you, sir.
Move. Tell your mother I am into her case.
Thank you.
Thank you, that I can kill Agbero for her case. I can kill the governor for your mother's case. Be rest assured that your case is in here. Timo, why is your face like that? Elen came for touching who come out when accident.
No be you cause am. Huh?
Cause waiting.
No be you make me enter this trouble like this.
Child.
I don't understand. Can you talk to me politely, because you are talking to the barrister of law? You are not just talking to any how person. You are talking to a barrister that has curriculum in his academic informational dispute.
Hey.
What is the problem?
Barisimo, you know say na God. If no be say God like me, I for no die alive they talk to you like this.
And what can talk what will happen? God not like okay go to me. What is the problem? Talk to me. Let me.
One boy nearly killed me today.
You be mumu.
If you see as this guy carry slap, as in the guy nearly killed me today.
What will happen? What you do?
What you know such address?
You think say they wise?
Now the thing where they teach me, I say make I go practice some. For where that boy did, the boy carry beating the guy won't kill me.
You are a failure.
Oh, you miss Yan. And Hanyekwe gave me a code. You see it?
Continue.
Just 2 days where you don't come for bar. Come meet me. So just small thing where you learn from me. Pia my ibagala into practical.
Child.
With a practical slap, lag me. What did you tell him?
The guy was misbehaving, talking anyhow, talking somehow. I approached him as a learned colleague. I went there and said, guilty or not guilty? And I said, power for my face.
They mess it for you. In fact, by now, if I happen to have been there, by now, you are on your way to mortuary now. How can you start with guilty or not guilty? Or what I say, game up guilty or not guilty? How can that person accept his guilty? That is the reason I told you that money where you pay me is not enough. But they go, that when they say somebody are called into bar, when you are into bar, give one go. You don't just start with guilty or not guilty. What happened to assuming? You have to first of all assume, even though you are not, even me where they talk to you right now. And not beside I read them for school. Look at you. Don't be a joke when on your ground. On your budget talk, my figure school. Give first of all look at that person. And it would give Ranya Barry, Emuludanya, Panya Barastara stick. Give Relepadi and Ampranya. You lay your tail, give make a latras. Say, I put it to you.
You be mumu.
You assume. I put it to you. That is why this matriculation gown I need your company. Where you're weak. You know we are weak. You know we are matriculation. Okay, fine, go to Canstigo. Man, a week with your camper. You question through we go to Brunishi. When you got to go to go, they don't feel anything inside your body. Your wig should speak to you. I mean, your wig should speak to you. Huh?
Child.
You don't do things like that. First of all, get facial expression. You start with your facial expression. Facial expression. Yeah. Give it to me.
You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Nobody will look at this face now. We go still stand you. anybody wey see face na ohuna gishile na mmadụ po gbaiga no ma agbara ma wo mu ikwikwi ma wa adaka ma we enwe the person go start to fear you first. Now shoulder up,
Ota.
yes, chest out.
Continue.
Now give balance here. You say your own final facial expression, then you assume.
Yeah, mbuzo mota.
Shoulder up,
Mota.
yeah, chest out,
Mota.
give one leg up, then facial expression. Assume. Beautiful.
This man.
Beautiful. You are looking into that person's face. Now assume. See, I put it to you.
May God not allow them make them kill you.
I put it to you.
Good. I put it to you.
I put it to you.
Yeah, eyeball to eyeball. You put it to that person.
What in that assume mean?
Assume is because you are not a barrister. You are assuming to be a barrister.
Assuming.
Yes.
Okay.
Because him and a barrister that is what it is. Then get caught you and then you get concentrate more. I put it to you. By here caught you say I put it to you. Then when you have Bezuja by now, get you say, are you guilty or not guilty? There is no way that person no good use fear. Tell you say, I am guilty. Get a court. I rest my case. He say yes, my lord. He will say yes, my lord. But make sure at the end of I put it. So say 1 grammar now not now come always we get 12 grammar constructor. Sitting up my guy can 1940 something. You can tell them say Haneken to book from 1982 makes it illegal. That anybody who assumed what he or she is not assumable, it is under the consequences of the metaphor. Then the bilateral pathological system of the fallopian tube. The next thing is to get here. Are you guilty or not guilty? Your face is still cuttered. Yes, I am guilty. Then you put it to him.
How can know you back and Subugade?
You be mumu.
Oh, you buy Eben Subugade.
Hello, to Subugade.
Well, I want go bring out this big grammar.
You must you bring better drama. You know what I English Nante. Kabayo Anola. Whatever that sounds like English, it doesn't matter whether it's correct or not. Only
I put it to you.
That's it.
And I jeopardize your masticated hulu.
Ooh, that is it. You are now my learned colleague somehow. Yes. Yes. Now do it again. You are learning. I love people that learn very fast. I was gonna somehow dull brain, but tell put it. Shoulder up. Facial expression.
Continue.
Chest out. Put it. Good. I like it.
I put it to you.
Beautiful. Put it again.
I put it to you.
We get the third time.
I put it to you.
Good.
And I jeopardize your masticated hulu.
Woo! You see it? You see it? Hey, where do you hear on?
Yeah, it was very simple.
Very, very simple. Once you learn it, that's no system now. Once you have learned it through wig, you are now a lawyer.
So as it be now, what do you remember for me now to buy wig?
We hana wig now, pata lawyership. Tawazenda olanga.
Man, all kind of matter as in if I buy the wig, I tell me as in I don't feel waka like this.
When you go barrister, I got a bastard. You must wear your wig.
Yeah, no, you.
Who need get we have a wig.
Oh, mumu not too much.
Yeah, what is here metric? Because you get with the wig. How will people recognize you as a barrister? Was a bastard? You be regarded as bastard.
But barrister Imo, where I am getting confused. They see my coat now. Huh? What if after spending the little money I have to buy that wig, because you don't manage it, for
the fact nature is that this barrister. You are new barrister now. He bunishi. No wig, no barrister.
About so the manage it.
He get we.
Continue.
He get we. You dare not know it. Okay. You wouldn't have it because the barristeristics and the barristership all we are wig. People might disregard you, but when we get bunishi, that's whom I am.
You be mumu.
You dare not talk under the frequency modulation.
You see it? I like people like you.
Yes.
Despite that, you give it to me again.
You dare not talk under the frequency modulation.
Ke frequency ahụ wee ba nya wonya ha gaulanga. Frequency ihe oputara wo lekwe lekwe nga.
Okay.
Ihe oputara. Frequency. Good one. Here, I let's go to the bar.
Okay.
At least in Kimotara now, it's called for celebration. Hold it tight. Yeah, go hold me tight. Barrister, hold it tight.
Oh.
You can never leave it. Hold it tight.
Barrister Imo. Barrister Toanga.
Is that the name you have chosen for yourself?
I think this one will make sense more. Barrister Toanga. Anybody why tell my name say na my name na Barrister Toanga. Yeah, got to me.
Barrister Gwangwa. Barrister Gwangwa. Now choose a step. Your step is another thing that defines you. Just a step. By the time he be done, your shoulder must go up one side of bully work education. Akwụkwọ drug n'ime. Akwụkwọ adịla too much. Bungo men ya does it one side. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You choose it. Your stomach must go up. Now choose a step. Upward. Good. Assuming. What is this?
You be mumu.
Step.
What stupid step? Huh? Ka we gender much are the guy gender grass school. Choose a step that will prove to people that you're a barrister. You choose a step. Now you move. You know, if you see how fragile my this thing is. So give us a fragility something. Good. Come. You know, because you carry I want the bruise of the barrister. Just akaga no task here. Wakaja assign on the ganga. Then give me the she magic the horror one. You can't choose the one I have chosen. People will respect you more. Febenishi. Let's move it.
What even na one name and tamu?
Inaga. Give me no. Just something again make a guy be so abnormal. Be unusual. Move it. Ishigi pan what happened? Me fish can fuck. Good. That is it. You know?